Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some exercises of chapter number 11 and chapter number 12. So, let's start. Firstly, we will do the exercise of chapter number 11. Students, first exercise you can see on the screen. First is look at these objects. Write the correct verbs for these. So, first image is of aeroplane. Fly. It's fly. Second is clock. We will use struck verb for the clock. Next is ring. Next is telephone and it ring. Next exercise is underline the main verb and encircle the helping verbs in these sentences. First is I am making a card for my teacher. Am is helping verb and making is main verb. Smita is working hard for her examinations. Is helping verb, you will circulate, and working is main verb, you will underline it. They are performing in front of a large audience. You will circle are and you will underline performing. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. You will circle was and you will underline discovered. They were arguing with the hotel manager. You will circle were and you will underline arguing. Ankita has written a poem for the competition. You will circle has and you will underline written. They have decorated the room. You will circle have and you will underline decorated. My father has submitted the bills on time. You will circle had and you will underline submitted. Next is complete these sentences by selecting the most appropriate verb. First is the soldiers blank together at the Republic Day parade. So answer is marched. You will tick on the marched and you will write it in the given blanks. Second is dark clouds in the sky before it started raining. So right option is gathered. The parrot blank out of the cage. Right option is flew. The boat blanked down the river. Right option is sailed. The teacher blanked the poster on the wall. Right option is hung. The family blanked the picnic by the riverside. Enjoyed. Enjoyed is right option. The sun blank in the east. So right option is rises. Sakshi blank her test before time. So right option is completed. Birds blank into flowers. Right option is bloomed. Next question is complete these sentences with the opposite of the highlighted words. So I thought I lost my book, but today I blank it in my friend's bag. So opposite of lost is found. Tia refused to go to Shimla, but Jia blank. Opposite of refused is accepted. Simran likes to watch television, but blank reading books. Opposite of likes is dislikes. The team won the match in the semi-final, but blank in the finals. Opposite of won is lost. Ritu remembers the faces of people but usually blank their names. Opposite of remembers is forgets. Shut all the doors but blank the windows. Opposite of shut is open. Most of the members accepted the proposal and only a few blank it. Opposite of accepted is rejected. The train departed late but blank on time. Opposite of departed is reached. We are always rewarded for are good deeds and blank for are bad ones. Opposite of rewarded is punished. Read these sentences and state whether the highlighted verbs show action, being, or ownership. First is I am happy. So, am by watching am, it is being. Okay, we will write here be. Ankita does yoga every day. It is action. Monal has only 4 toys. It is ownership. The tiger is a wild animal. It is being. I was sick yesterday. It is being. Meeta had a doll when she was a child. It is ownership. Prachi did her brother's homework yesterday. It is action. Kangaroos have a pouch in their stomach. It is ownership. Cricket and football are my favorite games. It is being. Deepa is an obedient girl. It is being. Now moving to the last exercise of this chapter. Question number D is fill in the blanks with the correct helping verbs. First, it blank getting cold. So, it is getting very cold. Second, the monsoon blank arrived on time. So, answer is has. I blank worried about my result. Answer is am. I hope he blank attended the conference in London. Right answer is has. Parul blank developed a good sense of humor over time. Right answer is has. They blank preparing for the examinations. Answer is are. I blank got something exciting to tell you. So right answer is have. The president blank going to make an important announcement. So answer is. The shelves in this library blank held many old books and journals. So answer is have. Now moving to the next chapter, which is subject verb agreement. So students, now we are going to exercise of chapter number 12, which is subject verb agreement. Students, you can see the first exercise on your screen, which is match each subject with the correct predicate. Write the sentence in your notebook and encircle the verbs. So firstly students, you will match the subject with their predicates and then you will encircle the verbs. First is I. So you will match I with the be. Am going to the zoo today. Second is the bell. So you will match it with the e. Is ringing. Okay, and you will circle ringing. Third V, you will students, you will match V with the D. Okay, and you will circle dancing. Fourth, these graphs, you will match it with the F, have turned sore, and you will circle turned. Fifth is Ria. You will match Ria with the C, has been working hard for her examinations, and you will circle working. Last is the kites. You will match it with the A, are flying high in the sky, and you will circle flying. Now moving to the next exercise of this chapter. Next is read these sentences and underline the subjects. Write S if the subject is singular and P if the subject is plural. First is we are fond of sweets. We is plural, so we will underline it and you will write here P. Next, the car is parked in the garage. The car is singular, so you will underline it and you will also write here S. Next, the girls baked a cake. The girls is subject, you will underline it and it is plural. They play hockey in the evening. They is subject, you will underline it and they is plural, so you will write here P. Chandan lives in a bungalow. Chandan is subject, you will underline it and you will write here singular. My sister goes to office every day. You will underline my sister. It is subject and you will write here singular. My brothers visit me on Sundays. You will underline my brothers. It is plural. I eat a lot of green vegetables. You will underline I and you will write here as. My father cooks for our family. You will underline my father. You will write here as. The children enjoy the rides at the amusement park. The children is subject. You will underline it and it is plural. Second, next exercise is choose the correct words from the boxes to fill in the blanks. First is neither of the girls blank fast. So runs is right option. A few of these girls run fast. The poet and novelist writes well. Jitu and Charu write poems. Many chefs cook delicious dishes. Each of these ladies mouth-watering dishes cooks. Several children swim in the new pool every day. Now, next page. My daughter swims in the pool on days. The teacher as well as the students sings melodiously. Either Lata or other singers sing in a school assembly. Next is fill in the blanks with is or are so that the subject and verb agree with each other. The flock of birds is flying in the sky. Second, either the man or his son is coming to visit me. Third is a few of my books are new. Fourth is Hiten as well as his friends is very tired. The litter of puppies is in the basket. The flowers in my neighbor's garden are lovely. None of my friends is here today. None is present here as they all have gone to the zoo. Several of the boxes as full. Each of these artists is a good painter. Now see question. Complete these sentences using has or have. None of my relatives has attended the marriage ceremony. My mentor and guide has helped me a lot in this project. Many of my friends have gone for a picnic. One of the girls has scored rank first in the class. Has both of my friends has planned surprise party for me. Minnie and Maria has baked the sweet cake. Everyone has casted his vote in the election. The girls as well as the teacher has sung a patriotic song. Either the master or the workers have painted the wall. The boy together with his mother has gone for market. Now the next exercise. Identify the error in these sentences. Rewrite the correct sentence in your notebook. First is Tanu and Manu is swimming in the pool. So you will cut is and you will write here are. Neither Kush nor his brothers is good at sports. You will cut is and you will write are. Neither the teacher nor Raghav were late for assembly. You will cut were and you will write here is. Each of the dancer dance beautifully. You will cut dance and you will write here dances. None of these men are lazy. You will cut are and you will write here is. The gaggle of geese are chasing the hen. You will cut are and you will write here is. Many of my students is good at drawing. You will cut is and you will write here are. Each of the batsmen are wearing gloves. You will cut are and you will write here is. They as well as I has worked hard on these books. You will cut has and you will write here have. The family are enjoying The picnic at the beach. You will cut R and you will write here is. Now the last exercise of this chapter is change the highlighted words to their plural forms. Make the verbs agree with their subjects. Then rewrite the passage in your notebook. So friends, you change the highlighted words to the plural forms. जो भी words हाईलाइटेड किए गए हैं उनको आपको प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में चेंज करना है। और बेटा जब हम लोग इन्हें प्लूरल में चेंज करेंगे तो कुछ अनदर चेंजेस भी होगा, ठीक है। तो हम दूसरे चेंजेस भी इसमें करेंगे, जैसे द पेंगुइन इज़ अ पॉपुलर बर्ड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। सो यू विल कट द पेंगुइन एंड यू विल राइट हियर पेंगुइन्स। और जब हमने पेंगुइन राइट किया था तो वहाँ पे इज़ दिया हुआ था जो सिंगुलर था, लेकिन जब हमने इसको प्लूरल बनाया पेंगुइन्स तो हमें इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी चेंज करना होगा। सो यू विल कट ऑल्सो इज़ एंड यू विल राइट हियर आर। सो द पेंगुइन्स आर। You will also cut a. The penguins are popular birds around the world. Next is its striking black and white body makes it very attractive. So you will cut its and you will write here their. You will cut body and you will write here bodies. You will cut makes it and you will write here make them. Okay. Next line. It has been the subject of many books, films and cartoons all around the world. You will cut it has and you will write they have. Next line, it has no fear of humans. You will cut it has and you will write they have. Next, it nests fearlessly near explorers. You will cut it nests. Okay, and you will write they nest. This tendency is perhaps because a penguin has no land predators in Antarctica. You will cut this tendency is and you will write these tendencies are, and you will cut a after because there is given a you will cut it and you will cut penguin has and you will write here penguins have. But it is, you will cut it is and you will write here they are at risk from the leopard seal that eats it in the seas and oceans. You will add as and you will add as at the given word seal and leopard that eats it. You will cut eats it and you will write here eat them. A penguin doesn't. You will cut all. A penguin does not. आप इसे कट कर देंगे and you will write